Many good things in life we miss if we are preoccupied with so many things other than being preoccupied with the one that is essential. And if you have heard the readings for today, the first reading, the story of Jonah and the people of Nineveh, and the very beautiful story of Martha and Mary in the Gospel. Ito yung makikita natin, that if we are preoccupied with so many things other than the one thing that is essential, we can miss a lot of good things that happen just in front of us, but since we are preoccupied with other things, we miss them. For example, in the story of Jonah and Nineveh, well, it's a call for conversion and return to the Lord. But what was the problem of the people of Nineveh? They were preoccupied with so many things other than being preoccupied with the Lord. Baga, they were so focused on their own concerns and preoccupations in life. And Jonah was sent primarily for their conversion. But I believe God has sent Jonah so that they can be reminded to focus simply on the one that is essential, so that they cannot miss so many good things that happen even in front of them. And the beautiful story of Martha and Mary is even better, no? Why? Even Jesus would say, Martha, Martha, you are preoccupied with so many things. Mary has chosen the essential part. Parang sinasabi ni Jesus, sobra kang preoccupied, busy sa ibang bagay, and you miss the one thing that is essential, and that is focusing on Jesus, which her sister Mary did. Kaya nga sinasabi ni Jesus sa ating Ebanghelyo, Martha, isa lang ang hinihiling ko, mag-focus ka sa akin. Hindi yung mga household chores, yung mga gawain ng hospitality. Why? Well, they may be important, but there is one thing that is essential, and that is paying close attention to the guest, and that is our Lord. And if you look at the world of today, this is one of the bigger problems we face. It's not because there are no more good things that happen. Mali. We are simply preoccupied with other things. Kaya yung mga magagandang bagay, yung pagkilos ng grasya ng Diyos, hindi natin nakikita. Why? Because we are busy with so many other things. We are preoccupied with so many other things. And I believe the past few months, our good bishop and the Senecal brothers have been talking about the value of adoration. Na parang binabalik ng ating mahal na Santo Papa yung kahalagahan ng adoration. And if we read the heart of the Holy Father, siguro ito rin yung punto niya eh. Na parang nakikita na niyang mga tao, parang basag ang focus sa buhay. Parang iba-iba yung preoccupations, iba yung focus, iba yung pinagkakaabalahan natin. Kaya, even if God does a lot of good things every day for us, we simply miss them. Why? Because we are not focused on them. Kaya siguro it's a good invitation, not only from the readings, but also from the Holy Father himself. Let us focus on the one thing that is essential. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nito na hindi na natin pinahahalagahan yung mga pang-araw-araw nating gawain. Hindi po. We still work. We still do our ministries. We still go to the school and study. We continue all of this. Pero ang sinasabi lang dito is, let us not forget to focus on the one thing that is essential. And that is our Lord. So that when we focus, when we gaze, we put our gaze on the one thing that is essential, we cannot miss the good things that He does every day. Marami tayong makikitang magaganda. Trust me. Kung nakafocus ka sa one thing that is essential, who is God Himself, sigurado ako, makikita mo yung mga magaganda, mabubuti, mas makaka-appreciate ka ng mga pangyayari sa buhay. Only if we learn how to focus on the one thing that is essential. That is why in the first reading, nung nakita na ng Diyos, nakafocus na sila sa akin. The first reading would even say, He repented and He did not carry out the punishment. And in the gospel for today, nire-remind din ni Jesus si Martha, Martha, maganda yung pagluluto. Maganda yung, syempre, may bisita ka, may panauhin ka, hindi ba? Pero parang sinasabi ni Jesus, mahalaga yan. Pero yung pakikinig mo sa akin, focusing on me, is even more essential than the things you do every day. And we hope and pray that we do not miss that every day. Kasi yung problema, baka dahil sa mga preoccupations natin sa buhay, mga pinagkakaabalahan natin, then we miss the one thing that is essential. And when we miss the one thing that is essential, we miss a lot of good things in life.